What's up, guys? We're back. So it's Sunday, November 21st, and it's super windy in Southern California, at least where I'm at. So today my sprinklers are scheduled to be off because I have it on every other day because it's November. But because it's windy, I am going to actually give it a little more water. So I recommend you guys do the same. What happens is when it's windy like this, the water is evaporated quicker and the wind just pulls all the water out of the soil and also out of the trees. So consider doing it too, all right? All right, I'm out. It's 9 o'clock at night. I'm trying to be quiet, but I don't know if you guys can see. I got a whole family of raccoons. I mean, seriously, there's like probably like 6 of them climbing up this eucalyptus here. I got my light shining on it right now, so and they kind of look like koala bears. Here it is. There it is. It's the guy. Well, so the plan was to try to figure out what type of animal this thing is that's coming down here and actually digging up our avocados, and I think this is pretty much confirmation at this point. So they're going up this eucalyptus. I thought I heard them climbing and rustling, and I didn't know exactly what it was. So I'm out here because it was pretty warm today, and I thought that it might be a good time to kind of check to see if my avocados are still doing okay and if I needed to apply a little extra water. Well, avocados are doing okay, but with that said, they do look like they could have used a little extra water today. And with that, and so what I'm probably gonna do is tomorrow, and it's gonna be like 90 degrees. We're in like middle or maybe second week of November here, and we got 90-degree weather, which is nice. It's nice and perfect temperature actually right now. But you know, coming out checking out the avocados, and we got these animals out here. So I don't know what I can do, but try to get rid of them somehow. Maybe do some more pepper. So I'm gonna go buy some, go find an Indian spice store that has bags and bags of chili pepper they kind of throw out here. So let's see if that works. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it because well, I don't know what to do really. There's probably I'll do some research, I guess, see if I can find a way to get rid of these guys. I mean, they're not like too afraid of me. I know I got all sorts of unique different critters like raccoons, possums, skunks. We smell the skunks here and there. So this group is I'm trying to like look at them and not look at my screen, so apologize if it's kind of coming in a little weird, but maybe I can scare them away at this point, and just get them to go to like our neighbor's yard or something like that. But let me see if I can count. There's 1, 2, 3. So this video might be coming out a little grainy also because it's at night. So, but you know, that's it. I mean, that's essentially what was digging all the way around looking for probably grubs. They're coming back down the tree now. I have no idea where they're gonna go. Hopefully they don't come running at me, because if they are, I'm gonna scream and get the heck out of here. But I mean, I don't know. They're in there somewhere. Oh, I was looking at the tree and not looking at my screen. Apologize again. All right, well, that's it for now. Just two right there on a different eucalyptus, kind of just staring at me. Look what I got. 4 for $5. These are bacon avocados, locally grown in Riverside, off of Van Buren. There's a little fruit stand, so go check it out. I guess they're in season right now, and I think it's grown on Victoria Avenue, so that's what they told me. They also had like a little smaller ones that were like $1 each, or these were $1.50 each, but then if you get 4, it's $5. So we'll give it a try. I have bacon also, and my bacon are doing well. I just want to kind of keep it as long as possible on a tree to kind of gain additional oils. So hopefully I'm going to pick it around, well, I have 2 fruits, so I'm going to pick one in December and then probably one in January, just to see if there's a difference in flavor. So my plan for today will be to get this Esther into the ground. I've already dug a hole. I've filled the hole up with water multiple times, and then it's drained. So all of that water is soaked into the soil right now. So right now I'm kind of positioning it, and it looks like it's a little high. I want to go just a little lower, but I do want to have it a little raised. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. You can see where the grade's at and where the pot and the stem is kind of like sticking out. So I am planning on going just a little bit lower, maybe about 4 inches above grade, and then from there I'll do my normal routine of planting it, and we will get it into the ground today. And it's been windy, so I got a stake, so my plan is to also make sure I stake it also. Right now my bacon, which is right there, which is a B type, my Esther, which is an A type, will be right here, and then there, as you know, is my probably not really a Kona, but it's going to get taken out. It's just not doing anything. It's kind of sad. So hopefully after I plant this Esther, I'll get to ripping this thing out and putting it into a pot for now, because I am kind of curious exactly what it is. Don't know for sure, even though it's supposed to be a Kona Charwell. I don't think it is, because the stem doesn't have the red freckles on there. So still kind of curious what it is, but considering it's not doing good, we are going to be ripping it out. Not sure if I'm going to get to it today, but for sure this guy is going to go in, because I've already dug the hole and we're ready to go. So follow along. All right, got it just a little lower and it's out of the pot. There it is. As you can see, the roots are nice and white, so they're doing really good, nice and healthy. So I was trying to be extra gentle, making sure that I don't rip out the roots too much and disturb it. So we'll see how it goes. Now it's just time to backfill and then watering it in. All right, a little bit more progress, and I want to show you guys the color of, I don't know if it's coming through in this video, but the leaves on this Esther is like this dark green, really nice looking, and it's got some, looks like little new growth coming out in the middle there. Also the stem on, let me see if I can zoom in. So the stem on the new growth here, hopefully you can see, has like kind of like a green speckled, not the red like the Kona, but a little different. So it's looking pretty good. So to celebrate, I want to say hello to all of my friends on the East Coast. Thank you for recommending a really good IPA, Cigar City Brewing. It's really good. So, cheers. All right, all done for now. I got the mulch. I've done some water. I'm going to do a little bit more water, and we are good to go. So I'll link below the Esther video that I did when I first got it, which showcased all of the different benefits and features, and so you can take a look at it for yourself. But this was actually not that much work. It was just finding time to actually do it. So finally got a little time to kind of put this guy in. So my bacon, which is right there, I measured it. It's like 12 feet away from this Esther. So, and you know, my Kona, which I'm going to rip out. So thanks for watching, and follow along with the journey. If you guys are interested, subscribe, do all the good stuff that you got to do, and see where this little Esther goes in the coming years. And then hopefully when it gets some fruit, I'll show you what it looks like, because a fruit's supposed to be pretty big and supposed to be pretty good. So as we kind of go through this journey, we'll kind of document it, and hopefully you guys can be a part of it. All right, talk to you guys later. See ya.